thing.
What's up guys? So the last 2 days we were both sick. I think we had a little bit of food poisoning, which sucks. But today is a lot better. And we're at the market again. So many markets here. So many markets. But today we are at the Papamoa Beach. They have some beach market kind of thing. And it's kind of cool because there are people windsurfing today. So exciting, so exciting. And the best part is we met 2 friends from Korea. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go. This is the one that serves the most food. Oh wait, I'm wrong. It serves nothing but food. There's so much food. So much food. Food everywhere. Japanese food. They have burgers. They have like donuts there. Ice shakes there. Burgers everywhere, like super lot of burgers. Oh, and they have burritos. So we bought like chicken skewers, like 2 pieces for $10, and this is what it came with. Rice and chicken.